Welcome back to the Professional Tax Preparer program. In Module 4, Building Your Successful Tax Practice, you will learn the process of starting your business right and growing it rapidly. A tax practice allows independence. You determine when and where you will work. Other than appointments with your clients, you set your own schedule. You may choose to work in the early morning or late in the evening. You could even choose to work on weekends while still maintaining a full-time job. You can work in the kitchen, the basement, or in a library. With technology today, you can even be on vacation and still maintain contact with your clients. Since 1979, Universal Accounting Center has been helping individuals just like you get their business started and running profitably in weeks, not months. The skills and strategies offered in the 5 sessions that comprise Module 4 are the product of years of experience in running tax preparation businesses and are based upon the input of countless tax professionals. Each session in this module provides proven and practical direction for starting a tax preparation business and growing it profitably. These sessions will also help you work confidently and professionally with prospective and current clients. Session 1, Getting Started Right, will provide direction in business setup, necessary equipment and software selection, and a host of other valuable topics. Session 2, Effective Marketing, provides 9 different marketing strategies that will build your client roster in no time at all. Each of these strategies is easy and inexpensive and can be started at any time of the year. Since interviewing is an important part of a tax practice, we cover it in Session 3, Comfortable Interviewing Techniques. Here, your instructor will train you how to prepare and run a successful client interview. Additionally, there are 3 vignettes where the instructor demonstrates important parts of the interview process. Session 4, Profitable Fee Calculations, focuses on how to charge for your services. This is where you get your rewards for your knowledge and work. We will show you how to charge like the professionals do, and like them, earn over $100 per hour. Finally, in Session 5, Always the Expert Tax Preparer, you will better understand your role as both a business owner and a tax practitioner. Your instructor will share invaluable advice in how to properly run a business and be recognized as the expert you've become. Many income tax professionals earn enough money during the 3-month tax season to provide for their family the rest of the year. For instance, an experienced tax preparer recently shared that she earned $112,000 during that short time frame. For her, it turned out to be many late nights during the 3 wintry months, followed by 9 long months of vacation and play. You may have to work 60 to 80-hour weeks, but you could make enough money in that 3.5-month period to last for the whole year. For those who like to work hard and play hard, an income tax practice is a perfect business to have. Is a tax practice right for you? Absolutely.
Welcome to Building Your Successful Tax Practice. Session 1, Getting Started Right. Getting started right will save you hours of precious time once tax season rolls around. In fact, it is the only way to go. In Session 1, you will learn how to make the right decisions now regarding how to establish and develop a business plan, including what business entity to choose. The session will help you pick a name for your practice, establish your office, select which equipment to purchase and which tax software to use. In addition, you'll learn about registering to become an Electronic Return Originator, or ERO for short. You will also learn how to develop a resource system, much like a library, for researching tax questions to which you don't have an immediate answer. Finally, we will discuss insurance that you should have from the first day you are in business. Now, here's your instructor, Alan Bostrom.
Getting into business as a professional tax preparer is actually quite simple. In this session, we will discuss everything you need to know to properly establish your tax practice from the get-go. We've made this process easy. In the tax modules, we discussed how the different kinds of business entities are affected by the economy and your operational objectives. You want to consider the different types of businesses that were discussed in Module 3. Most new preparers start as sole proprietors. There are no particular forms that need to be filed, and the costs are minimal. The IRS changes the requirements to register for a professional tax preparer from time to time. If you're not sure of the current regulations, feel free to speak with your Universal coach, and he or she will quickly bring you up to date. For sure, you'll want to begin by getting a Preparer Tax Identification Number, or PTIN, from the IRS to use on tax forms. If you ever hire employees, you will need to apply for an Employer Identification Number. If you plan to have a partner or wish to secure the benefits of a corporation or LLC, then the process is a little more complex, but you can do it with our guidance. You can change from a sole proprietor to a different business structure at any time. Just be aware that you are establishing a new company, and all of your tax ID numbers will change as well. You may also need to prepare 2 tax returns for the year in which you make the change.